The newest action camera by GoPro, the GoPro Hero 10, is finally here. It was launched on September 16th this year, 2021. The new GoPro Hero 10 strives to eliminate two of the biggest annoyances of its predecessor, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. One, the GoPro Hero 9 always felt a little bit sluggish when it came to, to his speed. Two, its low light performance was not so great. The new Hero 10 Black addresses both of these pain points in a superb way. So watch this video until the end to find out what's new in the GoPro Hero 10, its detailed specs, and lastly whether you should upgrade it or not. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, a GoPro video making school. On our site, which you can find the link down in the description, you will find hundreds of tutorials that will help you get started making better videos with your GoPros and action cameras. I've also left a link to download my free GoPro settings cheat sheet that has already helped a lot, like thousands of GoPro owners to set up the GoPro before every shooting. Go and check it out, it's pretty cool, you can find the link down below. But now, without any further ado, let's get started. GoPro Hero 10 Black specifications. First, let's talk about the specs of this action camera, the GoPro Hero 10. Here are the key specifications of this camera, as you can see on the screen. It weighs 150 grams, similarly to the GoPro Hero 9. Not much has changed, this is a little lighter. The processor, this one, the new one, has got the GP2 processor. It should be double the speed, so it should handle video processing way better than the previous one. The photo resolution is 23 megapixels, so a little bit better compared to the 20 megapixels of the Hero 9. Then we move to the video resolution. Now the Hero 10 can shoot up to 5.3K at 60 FPS. You can shoot 4K at 120 FPS and 27K up to 240 FPS, which is quite a lot. The stabilization, it has an improved stabilization called Hypersmooth 4.0, which is the improved Hypersmooth compared to the previous model. It is also waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters without any case. It can live stream up to 1080p resolution and also with Hypersmooth activated. The special features are Time Warp 3.0, Night Lapse and slow motion, and the front screen like the Hero 9. The current price is $399 in USA, but of course it can be a little bit different depending where you live. Here's our detailed review of how the Hero 8 action camera performs when put into practical use. Design. When it comes to the look and dimensions, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is almost identical to the previous camera, the GoPro Hero 9. There isn't any radical change in the design of this camera. The only major change that I found is that the GoPro logo and the series name, which used to be gray, now it's blue. The weight of the camera is also a little bit lower. It's 153 grams compared to 158 grams of the previous Hero 9. The rest, everything including buttons, front display, battery compartment, USB-C port and micro SD slot remain the same. Camera specs. GoPro Hero 10 has the same camera sensor as the previous model. However, since it features a more powerful chip, the GP2, the Hero 10 Black, it's capable of recording videos up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. The Hero 9, in comparison, could only manage 5K at 30 FPS. The supported frame rate have doubled for other resolution too. You can now shoot 4K videos at 120 FPS, 2.7K at 240 FPS. When it comes to still shots, the Hero 10 Black can capture pictures up to 23 megapixels of resolution. Speed. This is where the GoPro Hero 10 Black is radically improved. Thanks to the GP2 processor, the interface of the Hero 10 Black feels much more smoother and faster when used alongside the Hero 9. This can be seen when using the camera, and even in general scrolling of the menu, it's noticeably quite quicker than the Hero 9 or previous models. In fact, GoPro claims that it's twice as fast as the GoPro Hero 9 Black. However, upon usage, I felt that the camera is still prone to get quite warm upon continuous usage. Like if you, for example, shoot at the maximum frame rate and resolution for a long time, the GoPro is gonna get a bit warm. Stabilization. With Hypersmooth 4.0, the image stabilization of the GoPro Hero 10 it's really good. Even when you're running, the footage looks really smooth. When you enable boost, you get an even more stable image. However, it will crop the frame a little bit. What's more, Hypersmooth 4.0 on the Hero 10 Black can be used even on higher resolutions, including 5.3K at 60 fps, 4K at 120 fps and 2.7K at 120 fps. So you can practically have really smooth footages at basically any resolution you want, including when you're shooting in slow motion. Low light performance. There is definitely a noticeable improvement in low light in the stills, photos, and both in stills and videos on the GoPro Hero 10. In night photo mode, the pictures have sharper details as compared to the Hero 9 Black, and videos shot in low light have a little bit more quality and less noise compared to the previous models, but I feel that the difference isn't like so huge. You can see it still, but it's not like, another word. Battery life. The Hero 10 Black supports exactly the same battery as the Hero 9. You can change it, it's interchangeable, and you can expect around 1.5 hours of video recording in 4K. However, that would really depend upon several factors like frame rate, shooting mode, and etc. So if you are planning to use the Hero 10 all day, I would really suggest you to get an extra battery or a power bank. Now, should you upgrade to the GoPro Hero 10 Black? The GoPro Hero 10 Black definitely offers a better and more fluid user experience than any of previous GoPros. It's definitely the most advanced in action camera today, obviously, and therefore it could be a great idea to upgrade to the Hero 10 Black, especially if you've got a really old GoPro. However, whether you should upgrade to it or not also depends, as I said, like which GoPro you own. If you don't own any GoPro, then yeah, this is the best GoPro produced so far because of all the latest features that just came out. But if you own a GoPro Hero 9, there isn't really a drastic change in the quality of the shots, other than the fact that you can record at 4K with a higher slow motion, for example. So if you are not really concerned about higher frame rates at a really high resolution, then just stick to the Hero 9, which does a pretty good job already. For those who own a GoPro model that came earlier than the Hero 8, I would say, upgrading to the Hero 10 Black would definitely be a good improvement. So I hope that this guide helped you learn all you need about the recent GoPro Hero 10 Black action camera. And that was my review for the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Have you tried this new camera yet? If so, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to other GoPro enthusiasts just like you and me. Remember to download the free GoPro settings cheat sheet. You find the link down in the description. Stay healthy, and I'll see you soon in the next video.